Hello, and welcome to this user's guide for the Olympia Express Mina. In this video we will show you how to set up the machine, then how to prepare for extraction, a basic espresso recipe, and finally how to clean the machine. We will include timestamps and chapters below, so you can easily navigate between the different chapters. So, first we have a look what's included in the case. In the center we have the main body. To the left and to the right we have the two legs, and also by the side of the body are the 4 screws that are used to attach the legs. Here we find the lever, and underneath the legs also the portafilter and the tamper. Underneath the top foam you will find the user's manual and the drip tray. First we remove the main body and take out one of the 2 legs. Then we insert the first screw. And then we tighten it not fully yet. We flip the body around, put the second leg inside the groove, and also insert the screws. After that we put it on its legs and tighten the screws. We attach the lever by screwing it in. Remove the tamper and we insert the portafilter. Now with the Mina set up, it's time to prepare for coffee extraction. The only thing that's missing now is ground coffee and hot water as close as possible to boiling point. First, we have to check if the valve is moving freely. If it moves correctly, we start by pouring in the first batch of hot water. After half a minute, we let it run through by lifting the lever, just until the valve opens. You can also use the water to preheat your cup. Depending on the temperature, you can do this multiple times. In this example, we want the temperature a bit higher and repeat it once. Now remove the portafilter and fill the groove back up. Let's prepare the portafilter with 14 to 16 grams of ground coffee. With the Mina, we only include the double basket, as at the smaller size, it gives a stronger result. For the next step, timing is crucial. Before we lock in the portafilter, we release the rest of the water. Lock in the portafilter, fill the Mina again with hot water and put a cup underneath. Now lift the lever up slowly to the top. The water now runs under the piston and to the coffee. As soon as we are on the top, we start pushing down. If the grind size is correct, you should be able to maintain 2 bars and the drips only start after a few seconds. As soon as some drips are in the cup, we lift the lever up again to take in the rest of the water. Now we push down harder to achieve a nice thin stream of coffee. This should be at the maximum pressure of 9 bars. We try to hold that stream until we are at the bottom. Now, after enjoying your cup, we recommend you a short cleaning cycle. We unlock the portafilter and put something to catch the water underneath. After that, we fill the Mina again up with hot water and force the hot water through to dislodge any kind of coffee debris. We do this multiple times. After this flush, we lie the Mina on its back to get access for the shower screen and gasket. We clean it with a damp towel, and in the same way we also clean the gasket and the legs. For the outside surfaces, you can also use a damp towel. This should get rid of all coffee residue. Finally, we disassemble the portafilter. We clean it from the outside surface and then push from underneath to release the basket. We clean the inside and also the basket itself. A clean basket ensures the best coffee results. This sums up this user guide. We hope you have lots of good coffee with your Mina wherever you take it. And if you have any questions, recommendations or suggestions, please leave it in the comments or contact us. The details are in the description. Thank you.